امریکا نے ایرانی جوہری تنصیبات پر حملوں کو کامیاب قرار دے دیا۔ امریکی وزیر دفاع پیٹ ایکسٹن نے کہا کہ فرد و تنصیبات بنیادی ہدف تھیں۔ حملے میں 7 B-2 بمبار طیاروں نے حصہ لیا۔
ایرانی جوہری تنصیبات پر میسی آرڈیننس بم گرائے گئے۔ دھمکی دی کہ ایران نے امریکی اڈوں پر حملہ کیا تو سخت جواب دیا جائے گا۔
Last night on President Trump's orders, U.S. Central Command conducted a precision strike in the middle of the night against 3 nuclear facilities in Iran, Fordow, Natanz, and Esfahan, in order to destroy or severely degrade Iran's nuclear program. It was an incredible and overwhelming success. The order we received from our commander-in-chief was focused, it was powerful, and it was clear. We devastated the Iranian nuclear program. But it's worth noting the operation did not target Iranian troops or the Iranian people. For the entirety of his time in office, President Trump has consistently stated for over 10 years that Iran must not get a nuclear weapon. Full stop. Any retaliation by Iran against the United States of America will be met with force far greater than what was witnessed tonight. Signed, the President of the United States, Donald J. Trump.